a one, and a one, and a one. Yeah, and one. The right, right, that's it. Go, go away, go away, go away. On the left, go. On the right, on the right. Catherine, you've got to go more back. Back. Go. Now you see you're all too close to each other. Right? There's no brushing. There's no brushing. There's not a brush in it. It's your body. It's your body. You have to work your upper body. It's the same thing I'm saying. Yeah? From here, back. Back. Back, way back there. Way back there. And then you just go like this. You got to go back. You got to get your shoulders behind your hips. No, you're like this. These are your shoulders. These are your hips. Your shoulders must be behind your hips. Yeah, more, more, yeah. You got nothing else to do. You're supposed to fly. We know you can come down. You have to show how you can up and over the moon. Bing, bing. Hmm? It's here. And back. More, Catherine, more. Back. Yeah, I want you to really open this. Back, yeah. More. Back. Go. Back. Both arms. Back. Even more, even more, even more.